Good evening, class. Welcome to our lesson today. We are going to learn on how to create a Moodle class on Genomio. So you type www.genomio on your web page. Then you click on that page. You'll be given a site where you can write your name. You write your name and register to create an account with Genomio. So you write your name. You can see mine is here. You are given your site. You're able to log in. So click on the login. On the login, you will log in as the administrator. Then put the password. You can type the password or copy paste from the site. And now you'll be able to get your Moodle page. You have a Moodle, you have the home, dashboard, my courses, site. Now, we have a Moodle class where we can, platform where we can make courses and put details in the account. So you'll work as a site administrator, and then before you do anything, you should activate the edit mode so that you're able to edit your course. So you go to the site administration. From the site administration, you go to users. On the users, you click on add user so that you can add people who will be able to uh, use your account as students, and you can put a name like that one. Then you select a manual account, and then you can generate a password and notify. Once it is generated, the learner will be able to get the password, and then you can force change of password depending on what you are planning to do with the account. Then you write the first name of that person whose account you have put there, and then you are able to, this is their surname. Once you have that, you put the email of that person at gmail.com. Then here, on what to display on the account, you can say you don't hide, and then you don't allow everybody to see your email, but at least you can allow only other course participants. Then you can put any code here. Select the city for that, write the city for that resident, where that person stays. In my case, this person stays at Nairobi. Then select the country. Is Kenyan. For me, this person is Kenyan. Kenyan. Select Kenya. In the language, you select English. You can also select the time zone. I'm in Africa, Nairobi. So put a description. So you can put a photo or a description. And you can also upload a photo. When you upload, you give a description of the photo, maybe on what person is doing. Then that way you have created a user. Now, if you do that for several other users, you will have as many as you can see. For me here, I have many users because the account is already active. And if you enter the first time, you have one user. Then you can now add content. You go to courses, you add a new category. You add a new category. Add a new category. Just click. It brings you to a page where you can write can add your categories. For example, I can put mechanical. Once you have that, put mechanical engineering, you can type. Then the category name, you can put mechanical engineering again. Once you have that, you can put an ID, maybe 01, which will be able to identify your course. You put a description, maybe you can say mechanical engineering, engineering is a very good course. Actually, you need to describe what the course does in that category. Then you create category. After creating the category, you will see the category we have created here. You can create a new course in that category. Come to create a new course. You're creating a new course, add a course. You can say automotive engineering, automotive engineering, or you can just call it like agricultural engineering, engineering uh, one, or even three, nature engineering three. Then the short name of the course, I can put it Agen, call it Agen 03. Yeah, Agen 03. Then it shows you select whether the course will be visible and from what date to what date. Then you put a description on the type of course, and then you can add material. On the course. So save and return. When you have already saved, you realize that we have created this particular course, which is Agricultural Engineering 03, and you can add material. You need to be able to add a resource onto the course. And how would we go about that? You click on it, you click on the course, you go back to my course, you can come back to my courses. From my courses, you'll be able to see your engineering 03 course. With engineering 03, now you can add a book resource. Click on activity. You'll find resources on assignment. There is a book, there's chart, there's all that. You can have files and so on. So we are going to add a book resource. And it's going to deal with survey. That is the title of our book. And then we put a short description on introduction to survey, or we can just pick material from an existing file. We have files, can get an existing file where you have good notes that you want to use. For example, I want to use the survey notes. I have a number of them. Open the file, then copy the material on the introduction. I want to copy the material on the course, the section that I want to use. Introduction to survey. I copy that. Yeah. Then back to my course. I paste paste my material. Then you can see display, restrict, and add competencies, and you'll be able to save and return to the course. When I have saved and returned to the course, already I have put a book resource. On this resource, you can add other activities. You can add a topic. You can add a topic. For example, let me add a topic. I had no, I want to add on the book. Click on the book. You add a topic on the book. I mean a chapter. So you see, I will write introduction to survey. So you can write in small letters because capital letters shout introduction to survey. I go again and pick material from my file resource on the introduction to survey. That will be my first chapter. In my first chapter, I copy and paste. So when you are starting to prepare your course, you need to have your material ready so that you don't take a lot of time. Now with this, I save the changes. Then you will realize I have already a book in the first chapter, and the table of content is already there. I can add another topic on the book and do another topic on the book from this point. Just click, then it gives me another chapter. I'm able to write see the chapter that I need to add. Chapter that I need to add is chapter 2. And on chapter 2, I have chapter 2 types of surveying equipment. Copy. Then paste here. Then the chapter is types of survey equipment. Survey equipment. Then you put other details. You can put tags, save, and then you already have your book and 2 chapters. You have chapter 1, and then you have chapter 2. And there's also a section where it shows how many chapters you have. Yeah, you can see you already have 2 chapters. You can add as many as possible up to the end. You can have as it's a complete course where your students will be participating, so it's important to add as much content as possible. You can add pictures, you can add. So once you're done with that, you say whether the book is complete. You mark done. When it is done, it means now you can even publish your resource. Then back to our site dashboard where we have my course. You have your course there.